We both love this French onion dip. It's so easy to make, and everyone we've served it to loves it.
I am telling you to save this one. Sour cream and onion dip gets better as it sits in the fridge, making it the perfect make-ahead appetizer. This recipe is a lifesaver for parties and the holidays. So what makes our onion dip recipe easier than most is that we roast finely chopped onions in the oven instead of caramelizing them on the stove. This cuts down on the hands-on time and keeps things really easy. The onions don't get quite as browned, but trust me, they taste incredible in this dip. We're going to cut our onions nice and small so that they roast evenly and quickly in the oven. I'm using one medium-ish sweet onion. Toss the chopped onions on a baking sheet and pour over 3 tablespoons of melted butter. I've got a sheet of parchment paper down for easier cleanup later. Stir the onions in butter and then spread them out into one layer. Now slide them into a 375-degree Fahrenheit oven and roast for 50 to 60 minutes. So that they cook evenly and don't overbrown around the edges, we want to stir them around a few times during baking. I don't worry too much at first, but as we get closer to the halfway mark, I like to stir every 10 minutes or so. When your onions are lightly golden and smell sweet, they are ready to go into our dip. Now for a dark caramelized onion flavor, you can cook the onions on the stovetop. Melt the butter in a wide pot with a lid, then stir in your onions. Cover and cook until the onions soften a bit, about 15 minutes. Now uncover the pot and continue to cook the onions, stirring occasionally and scraping any browned bits stuck to the bottom and sides of the pan. They will take 45 to 60 minutes to caramelize. This footage is actually from our French onion soup video, which we highly recommend watching. We've linked to it for you. Now while our onions are still hot from the oven, stir them and any butter on the pan into 1 pint of sour cream and season with salt and pepper. Stir everything really well and then refrigerate for a few hours, or better yet, overnight. It will last in the fridge for up to 4 days. We've tasted this dip at every stage, and honestly, the longer it sits, the better it tastes. Time allows all that roasted onion flavor to seep into the sour cream. It's seriously the best appetizer for making ahead of time. Now we serve our dip with potato chips, but veggies, flatbread, or other kinds of chips will work too. Oh, and remember that French onion soup we mentioned? If you like onion dip, you must give this soup a try. We make it easy for you with a straightforward recipe and video. It's all linked below. We also have these roasted whole onions, which are a showstopper for holiday tables. They are also linked for you. As always, if you have any questions, let us know. We love hearing from you.